The breathing exercise allows you to regulate your breathing and lower your stress level thanks to a quick and easy technique. To start the breathing exercise on your watch, simply push the crown button, then to start, tap on the watch and follow the instructions on the display. Inhale and hold your breath. Exhale and continue the exercise following the instructions provided on your watch. To adjust and personalize your breathing exercise function, go to the main menu on the top left side, and in the main menu you go to Breathe. There you can adjust the duration of the inhale, hold and exhale exercise. You can also adjust the cycle duration from 1 minute to 7 minutes.